to the day when everything was phony. Well, life was very grey. When I woke up in the morning, and then I'd cover my mouth and yawn and acknowledge who my enemy was. But now the troubles remain the same. Well, there's no one here to blame. I need my God up in the clouds. I need someone to make me proud, 'cause now I'm so embarrassed about the way I feel, and I got all my emotions and my thoughts to conceal. I got my problems forming with my personality, my differences colliding with my equity. Oh geez, I wish I could return to where I belong. Oh, life is just another job with merchandise not fit to rob. I gotta sob, 'cause now it makes no difference if we close the store on time. It seems this crap's not worth a dime. It couldn't radiate a child now. I've talked about these days for a couple of years. Everybody here has played on my fears. I like it from a distance, come out there in space. Wish there was somewhere I could feel I'm in place. I'm going back to the womb. I'm going back to when I understood. I'm going back to the womb. I'm going back to when I understood. Oh, sitting